course I'll be posting Kiss, Keep It Stylish Sexy, fashion trends and fashion faux pas. You never know what you find in public places.
Now I love an animal print. Animal prints are classic. They are always in style. You can't go wrong with an animal print. Or can you? So before we reveal our Kiss pick, let's take a look at how I do it. This is going back 10 years. I'm always incorporating an animal print in my wardrobe. Like I said, it's a classic. You can add it in your shoes, a little booty, even in a scarf. Hey, I got two of them. Top and bottom, scarf and booties. Both going at the same time. It's quite easy. Gotta love the little ballet slipper. And a blazer. Maybe a top. Or a onesie? Yeah, no, that's not me. This is somebody that we've caught in a public place. So let's talk more. Onesies have been on trend for a while now, and they still are. And yes, men, don't worry. You haven't been forgotten. They are on trend for you too. You can wear a romper. I do like the idea of someone having fun with trends. And as I said, I do love an animal print. This picture was taken in 2015, and onesies are still on the runway. This outfit is certainly great for our Canadian winters, don't you think? Unless, of course, you have to go to the bathroom in a rush. That might be a different story. I'm thinking it won't be so nice and cuddly then. But onesies haven't been just for the winter. They've been hitting all the seasons. So here we have an animal print and a trendy onesie. So why is she featured here on Kiss, Keep It Stylish Sexy? Is this a trendsetter? Someone you should aspire to look up to as a fashion icon? Or is she a fashion faux pas? So I'm sure you are wondering what this stylist has to say about it. I do like the idea of someone having fun with trends. And as I said, I do love an animal print. I also think that we are creatures of beauty, each and every one of us. But this outfit does not say classy, sophisticated, stylish, put together, and dare I say, sexy. It does say I'm very casual, I'm very toasty warm, and I'm oh so comfortable. A word I hear all too often. And those boots, they are definitely not helping at all. The fabric in this outfit looks inexpensive, which could end up making you look cheap. This does not look like a public onesie to me. It looks more like PJs or loungewear. Another thing I see way too often, and you'll be seeing it too, right here. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you'll be sure to catch the next Kiss video. I know that a lot of you think that you can't be comfortable and stylish at the same time. So what would I suggest if you must wear this outfit in public? It's not too difficult to step this up a notch. I am a believer that you should expand your wardrobe as much as you possibly can and get as much wear as you can with each piece that you own. I talk about this in my book, A New You Style Journal. It's one of the steps in my book. I'm also a believer that you should love everything in your wardrobe, and I have no doubt this lady loves her outfit. I also talk about this in my book in January, when readers are purging their closets. So first, I'd start by changing the boots. A nice low heel, mid-calf length to knee-high, maybe nothing over the knee for this look. And any neutral color will do, from browns, tans, taupes, off-whites, rusty tones, caramel, or deep reds. like burgundy, merlot, or wine. But no fur, please. No fur. You don't want to look like an animal all over. And of course, there's the classic, black. Keep in mind that black and brown, that combination will add richness to your outfits. So it's all about the accessories and how you put it together. This is a lot of animal print, so you need to tone it down. So I would add a large tote bag. Black or another neutral will do. Just keep it toned down. You don't want to add a bright color here, like neon anything. You could even have some tassels on your boots. They're also on trend. I'd also add a scarf in a solid color. Black would be perfect with any colored boots that you wear. And no, the boots do not need to be the same color as your purse. Our style police are in public places as you are. So remember, kiss, keep it stylish, sexy. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Sharing is caring, so please share. Subscribe and please add your comments below. Tell us what you think. And one last thing, I did put a collage together just so that you could get an idea of what these accessories could look like. The boots can have buckles or tassels, like I said. There's a combination of the black and the brown that you can actually see the richness that it brings out when you put these two colors together. The purse itself is actually snakeskin, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend that you go with a snakeskin in this particular outfit. And maybe a big black tote would be most ideal, not necessarily the color. But it's all to give you an idea of how this could work. I'll put a link in the description below so you know where to find it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.